a small guide on how to use the overnight sleep study. First of all, make sure it's always going to be plugged into the socket overnight, plugs into the back of the machine, and then down a little feet. Yeah. What I want you to do then, this is for the probe. The probe will only fit in the clip one way, that way. Fasten that back down, that stops the probe from being pulled out. This is only done for one night while your child is sleeping. Now, whether you're using a finger or a big toe, we usually say a finger for the older children, a toe for babies. Wrap it around, and even if that was a toe, you'd do it the same, because if it was a toe, you'd run it up the foot. We've got a diagram that I will show you in a bit. And then you put a sock on the top. For the older children, on the toe, I want you to press the green button that will start the machine. The older children, you'll probably do this while they're awake. Little ones, I'd say wait while they're asleep, because the probe just start flashing. As you can see, we've got your numbers. This will record everything from the moment you turn it on to when you turn it off. What we need you to do, everything about the machine, how to put the probes on, as I've said, with the children for the toe, and then obviously the finger. But because of the red light, it gets sensitive. So every 4 hours during the night, it is advisable to swap fingers or toes. By doing that, you can either use a yellow button to silence the machine and then swap it over. Don't turn it off. Just silence it, and then the silence button will only last for 10 to 20 seconds. Inside your pack, you will got what we call a diary. Again, on this, I want you to put the time that you started it, what the readings are. So for your SpO2, that is your top one there. And then your bottom one is for your pulse. So just pop that in there. If during the night it alarms, and it can be for many reasons, all I want you to do, if you can even, have a quick glance, just the time. If you do get the numbers, pop them there. But just put the event. It can be for no reason, that the probe came off, or anything like that. If the child needs to go to the toilet during the night, again, silence there. Rather than take the probe off, what we'd suggest is just unclipping it, go to the toilet, and as you can hear, but like I said, if you silence it, toilet, come back, pop that back on. But please just remember to do right on your diary that you've done it and they've gone for a toilet break. In the morning, when the child wakes, we require at least 6 hours of recording. But like I said, the machine will do it all. In the morning, turn it off, take the probe off. What we ask you to do then is discard the probe. Put the machine and the diary in the bag provided, and then a member of staff will come along and collect it that morning. And that's all.